Celebrities also take this therapy. But it helps to cure cancer as well. This oxygen therapy. You know what they do? Here inside this hospital, they have a chamber, oxygen chamber. So naturally, that pressure is, natural pressure is about 1 bar. So they double the pressure inside that chamber. So the pressure would be 2 bar. And in open air, the oxygen percentage is about 21%. But there they supply 100% oxygen. So they double the pressure and they supply 100% oxygen. So the molecules, they become smaller, and they can penetrate your this skin as well, and they can go to your dead cells as well. So it has many benefits. Like it can cure hair fall as well. It helps to treat cancer as well. Why it is used for anti-aging? Because it can revive your dead cells as well. Because whichever part of our body is not getting proper oxygen, so it cannot survive. So that is why this treatment is very powerful. And you might have heard about Nadi Parikshan. Nadi Pariksha, So like nowadays we are going for allopathy treatment. So when we go for that treatment, doctor tells us to do a lot of tests, like blood test, urine test, stool test, different kind of tests we do. And after that, after we do a lot of these tests, doctor sees the report, and then only he can tell you what are the what sorts of problem you are having inside your body. But when you go for this Nadi Parikshan, doctor will hold your wrist like this with his first 3 fingers, and within 5 minutes he'll be able to tell you what kind of imbalances you are having inside your body and how to treat this. So this is very powerful, and this Nadi Pariksha comes from ancient knowledge, ancient Indian Ayurveda knowledge. And not only from India, but people from all part of the world, they come here for treatment. Here in this Ayurveda hospital, and also we have one Sri Sri Wellbeing. So there also people come from abroad as well. So basically, according to Ayurveda, we have three different body types. That is Kapha, Pitta and Vata. So if anything is if these 3 things are in balance, then we are fully fit, we are fine. But if any one of these 3 is in imbalance, then we'll start having some problems. Like I can give you one example. When someone's pitta is in imbalance, so